Namaskar and good afternoon. I am Yatin Mota and you are watching this special broadcast on Moneycontrol.com, and obviously we will talk about the midday market mood. Obviously, if you look at the markets, they have been quite nervous since the past 3 or 4 trading sessions. Right now, if you look at the Sensex, it's down almost 100 points. Nifty uh, above that 17,600 mark, down by only 20 points. But if you look at the intraday recovery of the Nifty, that is almost 100 points. Obviously, if you look at the advance decline ratio today, that has been quite buoyant. In fact, currently the advance decline ratio is 3 to 1. So, 3 advances for 1 decline, which means that the selling really is only in the large caps and select names. But if you look at the broader markets, they have been quite strong. In fact, if you look at the mid cap and small cap indices, they are up anywhere between 1.5% to 2.5%. Today, if you look at the sectors which have done really well, obviously after the past 2 or 3 trading sessions of sell-off, we have the PSU banks, which is quite strong in terms of the index performance, 3% up for that index. Metal and media stocks are also witnessing buying almost 1 to 2% higher for that one. What's not working in the market today is the Nifty IT, almost 1.5% down, and pharma and FMCG stocks have been looking at some profit taking. Let's look at Nifty 50 and what's happening there. Adani Enterprises, that stock is up 3%. Remember yesterday, a Dubai-based company, rather Abu Dhabi-based fund, IHC, has committed almost $400 million to the FPO. Today, if you look at the subscription, the QIB book is almost subscribed by more than 50%. Overall issue subscribed by nearly 20-25%. And probably as the day progresses, we'll have updates coming on the FPO. Street is hopeful that the issue might sail through. Obviously, today the issue will close at around 5 p.m. and you'll get more clarity by then. So that stock, Adani Enterprise in focus, 3% up as I told earlier. Other Adani Group stocks like Adani Ports and Gujarat Ambuja Cement, those stocks are also doing well, 2-3% up for them as well. Power Grid, SBI, BPCL, these are the top gainers on the Nifty. In fact, SBI is the most contributor on the Nifty right now, almost 3% higher for that stock. What's not doing well is Tech Mahindra. Post results, the stock is quite weak. We had seen a margin miss versus the expectations, and also the constant currency growth was almost flat, and hence the stock is down 3%. Britannia, Bajaj Finance, TCS, Sun Pharma are the other index stocks which are losing in trade, almost anywhere between 0.5% to 1%. Let's talk about the mid cap end of the market. That is quite active. So we have the likes of Kalyan Jewellers, that stock is up 12%. BEL, after the disappointing results, was down 4-5% yesterday. Today, the stock has managed to bounce back, 8% up for that one. Indus Tower is up 6%. Root Mobile, BHEL, Fluorochem, RCF, Green Panel. These are the other stocks which are gaining good traction in trade right now. Obviously, top losers, we have Adani Total Gas, that stock is down 10%. Adani Wilmar, Patanjali, both of these stock 5%. Also, we have Laurus Labs, which has hit a fresh 52-week low after dismal earnings. They also cut the margin guidance to 28%, and because of which today Laurus Labs, that stock is down 3%. Also, if you look at Policy Bazaar, Whirlpool, Varun Beverages, Marico, these are the other stocks which are facing some bit of pressure. Let's talk about the stocks which have hit a fresh 52-week low in trade today, because a lot of stocks had seen momentum but have been losing steam in the past 5-7 trading sessions. So we have the likes of Zydus Wellness, Adani Green, Aurobindo Pharma, Thyrocare, Adani Transmission, Alok Industries, Shilpa Medicare hitting the fresh 52-week low. However, if you look at Adani Transmission, after the initial 10% dip, that stock is managed to right now trade in the green. So good going for that stock. Obviously, today we have the newsmaker Adani, which will be in focus as the FPO concludes. Hopefully today, if there is no extension, and tomorrow we have the union budget, and you know where to be on the union budget day. You have to be on Moneycontrol and on CNBC Awaaz, because we have a big panel of experts which will navigate you through the budget, the complex budget speech, the budget figures. To make it easy, we'll have a lot of experts, budget panelists, and people who will give you stock recommendations. So stay tuned in to moneycontrol.com and CNBC Awaaz. Thank you so much.